Hello guys, welcome back to Engineering Graphics Life Changes IND's course. So okay guys, on previous classes I think you got a good idea on types of lines. If you missed the classes, don't forget to watch the previous video. After completing the video, you come back to the lettering and what are the things, how the syllabus we are to follow in the engineering graphics in the each and everything and designs that should be learned in this video. So you kindly follow the previous videos, and if you want certificate, kindly follow the procedure in the website. That will be easy to get the certificates for you in each level by attending the quizzes, by each level attending the each and every videos. Okay guys, now we can go inside the topic. So lettering. So what are the types of lettering? At first, we are going to get an idea what are the types of lettering we are using in this. We are going to go very fast. It's a big, large topic, so we can cover it very quick as possible. Okay, guys. In this first, we are going to know about the vertical letters. The vertical letter is the capital uppercase letters we are using, and the smaller lowercase letters. We are using any letters in the vertical sides that can be known as the vertical letters, and the inclined letters is known as a inclined at 75 to 75 degree to the horizontal, and it should be in the capital case letters and small lowercase letters also. These are the basic things we should know on this. And okay, in this letter standard, the letter standards are standard heights of the lettering are 3.5 or 5 or 7 and 10 mm. These are the standards for the lettering that should be right. We already seen what are the sizes of letters should be right in the previous parts of the paper dimensions and each and everything, title board, everything else. So in thus by we can getting the great knowledge of lettering standards, we should write with 3.5 or 5 or 7 or 10 mm on the based on the each requirement places. Okay guys, the next point is ratio of height to width for the most of the letter is approximately height and width should be 5:3 should be written on that. However, for the M and W, the main and width, the ratio is approximately 5.4 things only. Okay, what are the next letter standard we are going to see is the different sizes of our letter are used for the different purpose. For example, the main title should be in 7 to 10 mm only, and 7 or 10 mm only. The subtitle should be taken in the 5 or 7 mm only. The dimension notes, etc., are dimension notes and each and every things we are writing in the small cases that should be taken with the 3.5 mm to 5 mm only. Okay, guys. At next, we are going to get order on what are the things single stroke growth and letters. So this is single stroke letters. Can see this is all the single stroke letters, capital, and this is a small letters. This are the single stroke. We can have some table charts or glass which is used for writing the numbers and letters. We can use that and we can write in the perfect way like this a and everything should be in the same manner of size. We can get that glass piece. So in this numbers also mentioned, the Gothic letters is known as the thick letters. So for example, in this we can write A, B, C, D in the very thick range of the size. It's used for vertical, capital and lowercase letter and numerals. It's used for only for vertical, and this is used for single stroke letters. So in this we can have some both difference. The single stroke letter is defined, it is having only single stroke, so it is small. The Gothic letters, you can mention that Gothic with a Batman because it's a Gotham city, so you can mention that with a Gothic. So in that it's a black, so it's a very thickness. If you don't forget with this some key points, you just keep with the real time examples in your real lives. Okay, next, so in this you should keep your single stroke letter for what it's used for, only single stroke. It's very light, so for mechanical engineers easy to understand for single stroke. So next, for Gothic it's a Batman. Okay guys, so this is a clear cut idea you should get from it. At next, we are going to see about lettering standards. What are the lettering standards we are using on this? There are some of the lettering standards we are taking in this. First one is vertical letters are preferable mostly. So if you are going for the vertical, it should be preferably vertical letters. And at next, second point is guidelines should be done with 2H pencils only and 2H pencils lettering only, and lettering should be done with HB pencils only. Guidelines, you should use 2H pencil, lettering you should use HB pencils, and spacing between two letters is be 1/5 of the height of the letters. The spacing between the two letters should be taken as the 1/5 of the height of the each of the letters should be taken. The space between the two words should be 3:5 of the 3/5 of the height of the letters. The space you are taking between the letters should be 3/5 should be taken. So these are the basic things we have been get from the lettering. So okay guys, I hope you enjoy the basic session of engineering graphics whole. In this we got more ideas from the basic of objectives, engineering drawing, shapes and descriptions, engineering drawing instruments, what are the instruments we are using, how the paper size and drawings and each and pencil tips, and after that we came for the drawing sheets and types of lines. Today final we are getting the lettering. So guys, you hope you enjoyed each and every sessions of the engineering graphics basics level. This level makes you give a basic knowledge on engineering graphics, how you should manage the paper, how should you write, how should you handle the paper, and each and every drawings you should outcome in your results. So I hope you enjoyed the things, each and every contents in this. Okay guys, don't forget to complete the each and every quizzes from the first level to bottom level. After completing each and every video, the quizzes will be open for you. After completing the each and every attendance and after the final quiz, you will getting a final quiz. In this completion of final quiz, you will getting your certificate on that. You will get some instruction from the descriptions also, and the video after that video will be played for you in this video. You can follow that and get your certificates and share with your friends. Make use of these courses. Thank you guys.
Congratulations! You have finished watching all the beginner part of this course. Now take the quiz and earn your certificate. Happy learning!